Have you ever wondered how some creators get millions of views by simply showing a room transformation, even though they never filmed a real house? Here's the twist. Most of the viral renovation videos you see today aren't shot with a camera at all. They're built entirely with AI. And the creators behind them? Many of them aren't designers, aren't editors, and definitely aren't experts. But they are making thousands per month with one simple formula. So today, I'm going to show you exactly how these viral renovation channels do it, step by step, even if you have zero skills. So, if you've been thinking about starting a faceless channel, this is one of the easiest places to start. And to make it even easier, I'm handing you the exact prompt library I use. 6 different room styles, all optimized for viral shorts. Grab it from the description before you start. All right, let's jump in. The first thing you need is your starting image. For that, we're using an AI image generator called Whisk AI. Open Whisk. This is our first tool, and you can also use ChatGPT's image generator or any other you prefer, but Whisk works well for this. The key to a perfect transformation is starting with a clean, empty room because it gives the renovation AI a blank canvas to work with, guaranteeing consistent and high-quality results every single time. Now here's how to do it. Grab the first prompt from the doc in the description and paste it into Whisk. Generate the image and download it. Now do the same with the other prompts: living rooms, kitchens, room corners, exterior courtyards. Each one is already set up for 9:16 vertical format. Generate at least 10 different empty spaces. This gives you enough variety to create a week's worth of content without repeating styles. Now, you have a library of empty rooms. The next step is to transform every single one of them. And for that, we're using Home Design AI. It's completely free. Scroll down and hit the upload button. Choose your first empty room image. Now here's where you make decisions. First, set the image format to 9:16. That's vertical for YouTube Shorts and TikTok. Next, select the room type: bedroom, bathroom, living room, kitchen. Make sure it matches the empty room you uploaded. Then, pick an interior style. You've got options like modern, minimalist, luxury, industrial. Each style changes the entire vibe of the room. If you want more control, there's a custom prompt box. You can add specific requests like include a fireplace, or add plants by the window, or use neutral tones. But honestly, the default styles work fine for most videos. Hit generate. In a few seconds, you'll see a fully furnished, professionally styled room. High quality, ready to use. Download it. Now repeat this for every empty room you generated earlier. Upload, select settings, generate, download. You can batch process all of them in one sitting. One more thing, if you're doing exterior shots, click Exterior at the top of the page before uploading. Then choose whether it's the front, side, or back of the house, and pick your exterior style. Same process, different category. At this point, you've got before and after images ready. Now, let's turn them into videos. If this is making your brain light up with ideas, make sure you're subscribed, and don't go anywhere. The next step is where your videos actually start looking viral. And to turn these images into that viral video, you've got 2 great options. I'll show you the fastest way first, and then a more advanced method for total control. The fast method is to use an image-to-video AI tool. The one I'm using is called Flow. You can find it by searching for labs.google/fx or simply typing Flow into your search engine. But you can use any image-to-video tool that you prefer. Upload your empty room image, then upload your finished, transformed room image. Now, write a simple prompt that will smoothly transition from image 1 to image 2. That's it. Hit generate. The AI creates a video that morphs from the empty room into the finished space. Takes about 30 seconds to process. Download the video. Add background music. Something calm and ambient works best for this niche. You can grab royalty-free tracks from YouTube's audio library or Epidemic Sound. Export, and you're done. Now, if you want more control over transitions and pacing, use CapCut. Open the app and upload both images, your empty room and your finished room. Set each image duration to 5 or 6 seconds. Now, add transitions. For the first image, I recommend a slide or fade transition as it exits. For the second image, try something like dream dust or a soft blur as it enters. Test a few options and see what feels smoothest. Here's where CapCut shines. Keyframe animation. Click on the first image and add 3 keyframes, one at the start, one in the middle, and one at the end. Click on the second keyframe and increase the scale ratio slightly to create a smooth zoom in. Then, click on the third keyframe and reduce the scale back to create a smooth zoom out. This subtle movement makes the video dynamic and keeps viewers engaged. For the second image, let's use a simple zoom out. Add 2 keyframes, the first where you want the zoom out to start, and the second where you want it to end. On this second keyframe, reduce the scale ratio a little. This creates a clean, professional reveal effect that pulls the viewer into the new space. Layer your background music, adjust the volume so it's present but not overpowering, and export at 1080p. Both methods work. If you want speed, use Flow. If you want precision, use CapCut. Pick whatever fits your workflow better. Now, once your video is exported and ready, let's talk about how to upload it so it gets maximum views. When you upload, your title should be simple and clear. Something like "Empty Bedroom to Modern Paradise" or "This Kitchen Transformation Took 8 Seconds." Don't overthink it. Use 3 to 5 key hashtags like home transformation, interior design, and before and after. For your thumbnail, create a clean split screen. Empty room on the left, the stunning finished room on the right. Add bold before and after text. The most important rule, make sure it's perfectly readable on a mobile screen. Finally, post consistently. Aim for daily or every other day. The algorithm actively rewards channels that frequently upload high-retention shorts. And that's the entire system. You just need to be consistent. If you got value from this step-by-step guide and can see yourself building a channel with this, do me a huge favor. Smash that like button. It really helps support the channel. Subscribe for more. I break down a new, profitable AI system for faceless channels every single week. And turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next video. Everything you need, the prompt, library, and all the tool links, is waiting for you in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.